Hello, my name is Pastor Ejirokene Daniel Bazuno.
And I'm Pastor Mrs. Esther Bazun.
We're the National Pastors of Omega Fire Ministries, United Kingdom.
We're here today to wish our wonderful, amazing father, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman, a mega birthday. Daddy, it's an honor and a privilege once again to celebrate you this 2024. You have made such a delightful impact in our lives. Because of you, we have a voice. You have done much more than we can actually be able to express today, and we really want to celebrate you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy, for your wisdom and your guidance, and your word that you preach has actually made us better Christians today. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Daddy. Hip hip hip. Hooray!
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.